In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Nova with Axiom Pro. So the first thing you need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, after you have your Axiom Pro account, you want to open up a new tab and go to this link, which is click.tradeonnova.io, and you first want to click Download for Chrome. And once you click this, you'll be directed to Chrome Web Store, where you have to click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension again. After a few seconds, the extension will be added, there we go, and then what you can do from here is actually just close down this tab, and then press Connect Telegram. What this will do is open up this website, and it's gonna basically put you into the Telegram waitlist for Nova. Now, the waitlist takes from a few hours to a few days, but if you want to skip it, there's a link down below in the description, and if you click on that link, you'll basically be directed to this exact same website and use my referral code, and via that, you will be able to skip the waitlist immediately. Now, after you've done this, you can simply click Start Bot to open up the version of your Telegram on your computer, so in case you have the app. But if you want to use the web version like me, you can press Open in Web, and then it's going to open up in Web just like this over here. When you've done this, you want to click Launch Nova Click over here, and then Open, and it will just basically confirm, say Success, you're now connected to Nova Click, press Got it, and close this down. In here, it says successfully connected, and the first thing you want to do is hover over the menu button and click the menu, go into Settings, Nova Click, and make sure the Use Panel Settings button is green. If it's red like this, click on the circle and make it green, and then after this you can close down Telegram. Then go to your Axiom account, and you want to go into a random coin. So before you do this, you first may want to do the following thing. Go to the puzzle top right, and then pin the Nova extension so you can access it easier and quicker by just one click instead of two. And then what you have to do is click on it and make sure it's enabled. So if it says disabled, just turn it on by clicking the turn on button. It will refresh your website like this, and you can select your presets if you want to over here, and then simply pick a coin, for example this one, and as you can see, you can now see your Nova Click extension, so the trading panel over here, and you can start using it on Axiom. If you don't see it, click on the extension and click Enable Nova Panel, and you should then see it on your screen, and you can put it anywhere you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.